Everything in life follows a sequential order in sequence. And when your life is going right, you'll hear this sometimes. You'll have these, like, wow, everything seems to be falling into place. That's that sequential order. That is those coincidences that you say, wow, this is great. When you're not, I have written down here, I'm going to go a page before this, reaching your maximum sequential sequence, or that order of events and thoughts, actions, words, and speech within your life, are not in sequence or in balance within yourself, you're going to know, and it's not going to be good. In order to reach, I would say, reach maximum sequential sequence within your life, your thought, everything, up top to the bottom, you must clear the mind of all thoughts first. Second, have it clear to receive clear and concise thoughts of insight within the mind. 3, once you do, write it down. 4th, ponder in thought and review the knowledge in which you obtain through whatever it is, your download or insights, or what it is throughout your life. And finally, 5th, pass it on to enlighten others. There's laws that govern the universe. There's laws that govern our planet. There's laws that govern us, right? Wherever you may be. If you learn to master the laws within yourself, within your surroundings, and with everything and understand them, you'll have the master key. Science and religion sometimes is not that much different. And there's a lot of laws that govern religion, a lot of laws that govern science, right? The science, the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation, experimentation, and the testing of theories against the evidence obtained. Religion, a system of belief and practices related to all sacred things. Science, religion, laws governing. Then, if you want to get deeper into stuff, even yourself as a human being, think about fractals, DNA, cells, replicas. Within your body, you have all type of cells, and they contain a lot of your DNA, which is exactly in each one, over and over. And imagine how many cells are within your body. Sometimes I believe when illness happens within the body is because of the cell that was reproducing something went amiss. It's not the same exact copy. It's a topic for another day. But what I will say is that knowing the sequential order in your life within the natural laws that govern your body, keeping them balanced within yourself will give you the utmost upper edge within the mind, body, and spirit, and keeping you as one throughout your life. And that's what we always say. Everyone says, oh, you should always think positive, but I'll be honest, it's easier said than done. Doing this is like the yin and yang behind me and that symbol, and always keeping that positive balance. That symbol can mean many things to many people, interpret it. And I think with anything you interpret in life, as long as you're getting knowledge and wisdom out of it, and it's giving you something good and not negative, then use it to your advantage. And like science, the experiment, what does it say? Experimentation. Use those theories and everything you learn within your life and whatever you want to do spiritually to raise your vibration, your frequency, opening your mind, whatever. There's so many new terminology. Sometimes I forget how many things. Why? There's so many different terminology, because everything means something else different. To each one of us has a meaning. But for the most part, when you start really getting I will not say more in tune with yourself, you start to see a lot of similarities between other people that are in tune with themselves, and you can pass on and gain a lot of knowledge and wisdom and help each other. Just never let ego get in the way. Always know there's always room to learn, because that can hinder you big time. So remember, science, religion, how are they connected? I would ask you to do a little bit of homework about this. Truly is amazing. Sequential order, sequence, master it. And let's see what we wrote here in some of our notes. Science and religion as one becomes of what is above and below to be as one with all that is in this universe. So as above, so below, knowing the laws that govern each other can make you become as one. Meaning that if you can kind of grasp the concept of everything moves up above us and how they're governed by laws and how we can know when there's going to be an eclipse, when the sun rises, when the sun sets. Also on Earth, you have the seasons of the years, when they change, how it affects you, your body, the tides, the moons. Oh, it's so many things. It truly is amazing. But I would ask you to always keep yourself clear of thought and mind. And I thank you for listening, and many blessings to whatever you try to achieve. I came, Rubey. Take care.